the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
No stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Yolissa Hair. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their short body wave 13x4 HD lace front wig, 20 inches and 180% density. So those are the specs that I have with this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and click on their link and find more details about it. Okay, so on their site it says HD undetectable lace wig, body wave wig, 14 to 30 inches, undetectable HD lace front wig, and 5x5 closure wigs. So you do have the option to get this unit either in the HD 13x4, the HD 5x5, or the HD 13x6. Right now it says that the 14 and the 16 inches are sold out, so I want to throw that out there. But this unit is available in 18 to 30 inches, and you can get it in 180, 200, and 250% density. So all of those densities are available. Okay, so it says HD lace wig, body wave wig is natural black. The cap size is medium, and the wig needs to be customized in about 3 to 7 days, working days to ship. So they do customize the unit before they ship it. And by customized, I want to say that they are referring to the fact that they do curl the wig. So this is a body wave unit. So after you wash it, it's not going to be curled like this, which is why I decided not to bleach this wig, and why I also decided to not tweeze this wig, because I wanted to kind of show you that you can make this wig work for you straight out of the packaging, which is not usually the case with human hair units. Like with synthetic wigs, which you know are typically my go-to, and they're my go-to because they're easy to kind of throw on and go. It's not the case that you can just get a human hair wig and throw it on and go. You just gotta put in a little work. But with this unit, I kind of just wanted to show you guys. Now granted, she could stand a little more tweezing, okay, and she could stand to be bleached, but she is nice enough that you don't have to unless you want to, okay? Unless you want to go that extra step. She is still nice enough that you don't have to do that unless you want to. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, it is shedding now, but I did cut a lot over here by my ear. I am finding different ways to make wigs fit my big ears, because wigs are not big ear friendly. I don't know about you. I don't know what type of ears you have, but I have very large ears. Okay, I've always had very large ears, and wigs are not large ear friendly. Okay, so I have to cut a lot of hair off so that a unit can fit my ears. Like, you see my ears, y'all? Like, they're big, okay? They're Beyonce big. There's some big ears, so I had to cut off a lot of the lace and a lot of the hair to get the unit to fit. So I'm thinking that, because it's only shedding like in these spots right here, like right where I cut on both sides. So I'm thinking that's just excess hair that was already shedding, but I want to go ahead and let you guys know and throw it out there so you can't come for your girl later, okay? I don't want no problems, sis. As far as shedding, I have not noticed any straight out of the packaging. That does not mean old girl won't do none of the things at some point. That's just saying old girl ain't doing them then, okay? Maybe later on she will, but I want to throw that out there as well. Yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you guys are interested in my pros and cons with this unit as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. The major con I could think of with this unit is that I wish it was tweezed a little more. It is tweezed, and it's not tweezed badly, but I wish it could have been tweezed a little more because your girl lazy, okay? And I really wanted this unit to just do all of the things for me. So because I'm still gonna at some point have to tweeze this wig, that's a con, okay? That's the only con that I got with this wig. So the pros with this wig is the fact that it came pre-styled, basically. The only thing I did was it came as a middle part, and I changed that middle part to a side part, and it is a left side part. I don't have a preference when it comes to my parting, but I know some people do. But you can part it anywhere. I love that it came basically pre-styled and pre-curled and just basically a throw on and go. Now granted, like I said, I do wish I could tweeze. It could have been tweezed more, but it was tweezed, and I was able to still make it work without the extra work that you normally have to put in with the human hair wig. So those are my pros with this unit. I would definitely recommend this unit, especially to people that are now wearing you know, transitioning from certain type of wigs, like you're used to closures or you're used to lace parts and you want to try a frontal, I would recommend this wig because it's less work than the majority of other wigs. For somebody that is not so much a novice, you know, certain things you may have to do. Like I said, I'm gonna have to bleach it and I'm gonna have to tweeze it at some point. But I do feel like this wig, as far as frontals go, is very beginner friendly, so I would definitely recommend it. Alright, honey, so let's get into this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you tried any units from Yolissa Hair, because honey, they be coming through with the come through. Okay, girl, don't sleep on them. They be coming through with the come through. So let me know down below in the comments, because I am interested. And yeah, if you're interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HelpToMissC on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you lovebirds next time.